Today I will be reviewing mineral properties. First, what is a mineral? Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic solids that are universal. They have well-defined chemical composition and are structured with specific crystal structures. We have a picture giving examples of many different kinds of minerals. So how do we classify minerals into different categories? Certain minerals have specific properties that are able to distinguish it from others. We use properties to identify minerals. Color, streak, luster, hardness, crystal habit, cleavage and fracture, density, and other mineral-specific properties. So first we have the color. Certain minerals can be identified based on their distinct colors. These minerals contain specific elements present in the chemical composition. For example, azurite might be defined by its distinct blue color when paired with its crystal structure. But most minerals cannot be defined just by colors, so it is sort of unreliable. This is because certain chemical reactions may change the mineral's true color, and also many minerals share the same or have similar colors. For example, all of these beads at the bottom are quartz, and it would be very difficult to tell that they all are all quartz because they all have different colors. So next is streak. When a mineral is ground into a powder, the powder shows the actual color. We use a streak plate, which is usually unglazed porcelain tile, and we scrape the mineral across the plate. If there is color, this is the mineral's true color. If there's a scratch, the mineral is harder than the streak plate. Next is luster. This is the way light reacts with the mineral's surface. It can either penetrate, which results in a transparent, translucent, or opaque mineral, or it can be reflected, either having a metallic or non-metallic luster. Examples of non-metallic luster are glassy, earthy, greasy, pearly, silky, and many more. Hardness is the resistance a mineral has to breaking or being scratched. We use the Mohs scale of hardness to classify different levels of hardness. These hardness levels are relative to other minerals and are the result of crystal structures. When an atom has stronger bonds, it has a higher level of hardness. Crystal habit is the distinct shape crystals make in some minerals. They are more defined when minerals are unconfined. Every mineral has one or more distinctive habits. Usually it's related to the regular arrangement of molecules that make up the minerals. Some examples include bladed, dendritic, prismatic, stubby, and some more. Over to the right is a picture where we can look at the many different kinds of crystal habits. We have cleavage and fracture, which describes how a mineral breaks. Cleavage happens when a mineral breaks along specific panels. These have planes or fixed orientations. They can also fracture along surfaces not parallel to their cleavage plane as well. Fracture happens when there is an irregular break. These are not controlled by planes of weakness in the minerals. Below we have an example of a fracture, and to the right we have many different examples of cleavage. Next is density, which is the measure of mass of mineral per unit of volume. The average density of minerals is 2.6 to 3 grams per cubic centimeter. You can also compare the heaviness of a mineral that are about the same size. This is specific gravity, which is relative density, and this compares the weight of a substance to the weight of an equal volume of water. Other properties include solubility, in which calcite is soluble in diluted acid, magnetism, magnetite has magnetic properties, and luminescence, which is an emission of light by a mineral. To the right, you can see fluorite is reacting to light that was shined on it. Here are all the picture resources and my works cited. Thanks for watching and good luck on the midterm.